Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1981 to 1987 K10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Punch out the 8 rivets retaining the factory spare tire crossmember. These will be located on the top and bottom of your frame rail. Remove the spare tire crossmember. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide your replacement spare tire crossmember onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once in place, use a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench to screw in the included M10 hardware on the top and bottom of your frame rail. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!